I would say that Dr. Gould is number one, somebody who listens to his patients, his clients. Number two, he's not going to oversell or sell you something that he thinks he needs, but maybe you don't want or you don't need. And thirdly, he checks up on you. He looks after you after the procedure. It's not like, done, one and done. He is there for you to answer questions and follow up. And I think that's something that's quite unusual. My name is David, and I live in Potomac, Maryland. I'm retired from the World Bank, but now I'm doing a startup on a tech company. Well, I did travel to see Dr. Gould. He is my nephew, so I was very confident in his abilities. I trust him. And so because of that, it was a no-brainer to go out and visit him in California. His skills are really unsurpassed in the plastic surgery business. I've known him obviously since he was just a baby, and he's always had a strong desire to work on anything he does to the fullest extent. So I had a lot of confidence in him. Also, I've seen others that have had plastic surgery done by him and were just really great examples for me and gave me the confidence to see Dan. So my biggest concern before the procedure, I think, was would it make me look substantively different? I didn't want to look unnatural. I didn't want to look as though I had a complete do-over. He was able to convince me that the surgery wouldn't be a dramatic change. And his technique is to make you look as natural as possible. And that's exactly what I got. Well, right after the procedure, I could, see that the results were evident. And, my wife and my family saw it as well. And they said, wow, this is great. In the lead up to the surgery, I, consciously tried to work out and eat a very well balanced diet. And he coached me on all these things beforehand that to get the best recovery. Plus, his surgery is within a building. There's a lot of other professionals around. If something should go wrong, there's backups and backups to the backups. And all of his support staff, the nurses, the anesthesiologists, were all there to support me. So beforehand, obviously we had consultations over the telephone, and he was very descriptive in saying, look, this is what you're going to feel, 2 days after the surgery or a day after. But he also didn't do it in a way that seemed like it was a recording, like he was doing it specifically for me and for my case. It's about 3 months since my procedure, and, I'm back to normal. I'm doing all the things that I was doing before. I had a very big concern, as I noted, that I didn't want to look super different. I just wanted to tune up. And my friends don't even notice that I've had any type of surgery done. I think they note that I look a little bit more refreshed. 99.9% of the challenge is having confidence in the physician, and I did have a lot of confidence in Dr. Gould. So that's why I did the two procedures, but they were done separately. First started out with the eye lift and then with the neck lift. I have no qualms about going to see him again. If I do want to have another surgery, then he's the only one I would see, really. I mean, he gives me a lot of confidence, and the proof is in the pudding. So very happy with his work. And once you have that desire, that wish, by all means, get a consult with Dr. Gould. You're going to look the same, but rejuvenated.